So in this section, I'm going to teach you what we call the thumbing technique. I call it again the thumbing technique. So this is how it works. You use your thumb and hit the strings down, and you pull it up again. So down and pull it up, right? Hit it down and take it up, right? So a lot of people who actually use it are kind of black gospel musicians, especially if they are playing music like praise break, right? The black gospel music, that kind of music. I know you should understand what I'm talking about. So that is one of the ways they actually use the technique, because it aids their movement, right, while playing. So, like I said, you hit it and block it out, right? So you hit it and block it. Go to the, you can do that to the other string, right? Hit it down and block it up again. Then do to the right, right. Right, so if we check, so you see that is how they use it, right? So hit it inside and block it out, right? Right, so just take it very slow and steady. Use a metronome, right? While practicing all these things, it's very important. Use a metronome app, so it's going to help keep you on time and rhythm, right? Very important. So just try it out. Take it very slowly and make sure your notes are clean, clear, and precise. Clean, clear, and precise, right? So that's actually what we call the thumbing technique. So let me play it again very slow. So hit your string, right? Your hand enters below the other string, right? And you block the same string up, right? So just take it up. It's actually going to be very difficult at first, but when you get used to it, you actually find it very interesting, right? So that is actually what we call the thumbing technique.